Hi there, I'm Cassie, and I'd like to read and share about walking my dog. I take my dog, Rusty, for a walk every evening. We go to the park near my house. Rusty likes to go for walks. It gets excited when it sees other dogs. It barks at them and wants to go near them. Sometimes I let it play with them. However, I am careful because they may fight. Rusty and I like to walk by the side of the pond. We look at the fish and the tortoises inside. Sometimes we stop for a rest at the pond. Rusty likes to run after bicycles too. I have to hold its lead tightly so that it will not run away. I enjoy going for walks with Rusty. We have a lot of fun at the park. Sometimes I bring along a ball to play catch with Rusty. On weekends, we spend a longer time there. That's all! Remember, the more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. By famous author Dr. Seuss. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends.